In today's episode, it's Visit Malaysia Year 2026 and what hotel you should avoid. Let's fly to KL. I'm departing from Senai Airport at JB. Flight duration is less than 1 hour, but we have snack and a drink. So at KLIA, you have to go to level 2, then you cross over the overhead bridge to the other side. And you go down the escalator going towards to the bus terminal. Yes, you still need to get your boarding pass, but you don't need to pay, you just need to get the physical boarding pass. This bus doesn't have any seat number, so you just sit with wherever seats that is available. Seats are comfortable and it costs 13 ringgit towards to KL Sentral. But it does make a stop at Terminal 2 to pick up more passengers. First hotel review along the monorail line Chow Kit. Do not do standby cash or credit card for 50 ringgit deposit, but it will be refundable upon checkout. Okay, let's check out Riverine Boutique Hotel in Chow Kit. Okay, let's have a room tour. Once you go in, room is quite spacious with a standing bath, toilet bowl, basin, then the room like this, a double bed, TV, and a small desk with safe deposit box. The room is like this. So the view, there's not much view, so you just view the internal building. Okay, you see the internal building like this. So what do you think of this room? Okay, do comment below. Next hotel just behind Berjaya Times Square Mall. This will be more for the backpackers concept. And yes, they do require a 50 ringgit cash deposit or credit card.
Okay.
Tandasnya ke mana? Jalan sini aja.
Sana.
Sana aja. Oke, kasih.
Sama-sama.
So once you enter the room, queen size bed, there's a small desk, aircon, nothing else. So yeah, no view, no window. So this per night will be 60 ringgit. 60 ringgit. Do comment below, what do you think? Oh, they have a jacuzzi pool. Next hotel located next to the Indian mosque. Do note you need to climb the staircase up to the reception level. Here I booked two types of room to stay. One is with window and one is without window. And yes, 50 ringgit for deposit. Every level they do have a water dispenser, drinking water dispenser just beside the lift. Okay, room tour. So I'm staying at MyCiti Hotel. This will be 602 on the 6th floor. Using a key card, so just tap this. So this one will be a standard room. Queen size bed, standard room, comes with a window. Okay. So you got a TV. Once you walk in, you can see the bathroom on your right. Quite spacious. So you got your wash station, toilet bowl, separate standing shower cubicle. Okay, not bad. Quite clean. Then you have a wardrobe something here. Yeah, wardrobe. Wardrobe something. But somebody left a towel there. So yeah, a bit of rubbish. Yeah, queen size bed. So you got your TV, then tea, coffee, and of course the view. So there's not much of a view, just the next to the Indian mosque, Indian mosque. So this looking at the city. Okay, not too bad. Okay, what do you think? Without the window, this will be 205. Check the key. This room is without window. So once you enter, so the wardrobe is here. And you have a queen size bed. Here in this room that is without window, there's a table and chair. Not like the other room. A bit better. And of course no window. TV. And see the bathroom. Okay, you can see the toilet. Standing shower. Okay, standing shower looks a bit better than that one. This one is a bit spacious. And you have your wash basin. Okay. Oh, I think I prefer this size compared with that one. What do you think? Do comment below. on the next episode. Let's eat in KL. See you on my next episode. Bye.